Hello students, welcome to the new concepts of mathematics. Okay, instead of saying the concepts, I'd like to tell you how to solve all the problem in an easy way for the second year annual examination. This is all about the video about how to write the examination, mathematics examination, and how simple it is, and how to select the easy questions, and how to operate them, how to understand it, how to cover easy 5 marks questions, easy 3 marks, easy 2 marks. Now onwards I'd like to upload the video like this only. Okay, please support me, share the videos and comment. Don't forget to comment on the videos. Okay, today I'd like to start 5 marks important question for the second year annual examination. So be ready. Now focus on the board. I'd like to discuss 5 marks first question in the annual examination, which is the number 39th. Okay, in that the first question is f of x equal to 4x plus 3. It is f from n to y. The domain is natural number, the range is the set y. Okay, in this one you have to solve 1 1 and onto and invertible. Okay, if it is 1 1 as well as onto, then only its inverse will exist. Got the point clearly? Okay, now consider the question f of x equal to 4x plus 3. I'd like to solve it for 1 1 function. For 1 1 function. First of all, I'd like to start with f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Okay, got it? F of x is 4x plus 3. If f of z will be 4z plus 3, what is f of x1? It is 4x1 plus 3. F of x2 will be 4x2 plus 3. Got the point clearly? In this one, 3 will be cancelled. 4x1 is equal to 4x2. Here 4 will be cancelled. We got x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, the function f is 1 1. The function f is 1 1. After this one, I'd like to calculate the y value. For that, I can calculate the onto. Okay. Now concentrate here. I'd like to consider y is equal to f of x. Okay. Y as it is. What is our f of x? What is our f of x? Yes, it is 4x plus 3. Try to understand, students. It is y in terms of x. You need to convert x in terms of y. How it will be? Y as it is 3 on left hand side minus 3 is equal to 4x. Got it? After this one, x as it is, y minus 3 divided by 4. This is our x now. Got the point clearly? After this one, now I'd like to check it for onto. Okay. How to check for the onto? Concentrate. In this one, I'd like to write f of x is equal to whatever the given problem. I'd like to write 4x plus 3. Okay, now. After this one, I'd like to write f x space. I'm going to keep it as empty, x place empty plus 3. Got the point clearly? After this one, what's the x value? Yes, x value is what? Y minus 3 divided by 4. Yes, again x value y minus 3 divided by 4. Getting my point clearly? Is it okay? After this one, 4 will be cancelled. Y minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancelled. We got y. Yes, it is onto. Therefore, f is onto. Means the given function is 1 1 as well as onto. Then only inverse will exist. Then only what? Inverse will exist. What is the inverse of the given function? F inverse of y is equal to what I had write. Whatever the x value is there, that is nothing but a f inverse of y. What is f inverse of y? Y minus 3 divided by 4. This is our f inverse of y. Understood properly? Observe the next question in this part. What is the next problem to be asked in the annual examination is f from -1 to +1 is the domain is -1 to +1. The range is capital R. F of x equal to x divided by x plus 2. Okay. Whatever we arranged in the first part, in the similar way I'd like to take. I need to write for what? For 1 okay, for 1 function. Okay, now for 1 function, how I had to start? I already told you. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Got it? F of x is equal to x divided by x plus 2. What is f of z? Z divided by z plus 2. F of x1, x1 divided by x1 plus 2. Okay. What is f of x2? x2 divided by x2 plus 2. Got the point clearly? After this one, x1 as it is, this denominator on left hand side, x2 plus 2, x2 as it is, x1 plus 2 on right hand side, x1 plus 2. Getting my point clearly? Is it okay? After this one, x1, x2 multiplication, got it? Plus again x1 is multiplied to next term, 2x1, okay, is equal to x2 multiplied x1, x2 plus 2x2. Got the point clearly? After this one, x1, x2 cancel. 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Again 2 to cancel. x1 is equal to x2. Got the points clearly? Is it clear? At the end you have to write f is 1 function. F is 1 function. Is it clear? Is it okay? After this one, what I told you to do? Yes, exactly. I need to write here consider. Consider what? Y is equal to f of x. I have to consider. Okay. Y as it is. What is f of x here? F of x is x divided by x plus 2. Getting the point clearly? It is y in terms of x. You need to convert x in terms of y. Got the point clearly? It will be y into bracket x plus 2 is equal to x. Got it? After this one, y into x will be xy plus y into 2 will be 2y is equal to what? It will be x. Understood clearly? After this one, what I have to do is 2y as it is, x as it is, xy on right hand side, it will become minus xy. Is it clear? After this one, 2y as it is, what's the common term in between these two? X is common, 1 minus y. Is it clear? Now, what is x is equal to? Let it be x on right hand side only. It will be 2y divided by 1 minus y. Our x it is. Means to check the onto, we are going to calculate x value. Okay. After this one, what do we have to calculate? Yes, exactly. I need to calculate for onto now. For onto. Is it clear? In that, what we have to write? Just write the question. In all the problem, I am going to do the same thing. Now, x, I like to keep the x place empty. Again, numerator x place empty. In the denominator, x place is empty plus 2. Whether you are getting my point? Okay. What is x place? What is x value? Yes, x value is 2y divided by 1 minus y. Here also, 2y divided by 1 minus y. Here also 2y divided by 1 minus y. Got the point clearly? Yes. Then what we have to do is numerator 2y divided by 1 minus y as it is. I like to take the LCM here. Here the denominator is 1. 1 minus y into 1 is 1 minus y. Here the numerator will be 2y plus cross multiple 2 into 1 will be 2 minus 2 into y will be 2y. Got the point clearly? Yes. 1 minus y cancelled. What about the remaining term? Plus 2y minus 2y cancelled. 2y by 2. What is 2y by 2? Y. Means f is, yes exactly, f is onto. Okay. F is onto means what I need to write at the end? F inverse of y is equal to, what is f inverse of y? Yes, exactly right. And write 2y divided by 1 minus y. Got the point clearly? Is okay. Observe the next example, that is f of x equal to x square plus 4. The function is defined f from the domain is r plus the range will be 4 to infinity. Okay. Now again same thing for what? I need to write it for 1. Yes, you are right. What I need to start with? F of x1 equal to f of x2. Okay. What is f of x1? x1 square plus 4, x2 square plus 4. 4 will be cancelled. What about the remaining term? x1 square is equal to x2 square. x1 is equal to x2, and here square will be as a square root, means plus or minus will come, but a negative x2 does not belongs to positive domain. Got the point clearly? That's why x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. Got the point clearly? After this one, what I need to write? Yes, exactly, you are right. I need to write consider y is equal to f of x. Okay, now same thing I am writing. Y is equal to, what is this f of x? Yes, f of x is x square plus 4. Getting my point clearly? Is it okay? I like it is y in terms of x. I need to convert x in terms of y. 4 on left hand side. Y minus 4 is equal to x square. X is equal to square root of y minus 4. I got the x value now. After this one, what I have to do? Yes, exactly right. That is for onto I have to write. What is for onto? Onto will be write the given question here. F of x is equal to x square plus 4. After that, I need to write f x. Keep it empty. X keep it empty square plus 4. Okay. Means why I am keeping the x value empty means, what is x value? That I need to substitute square root of y minus 4, square root of y minus 4. Got it? Okay. Square root will be cancelled. It will be y minus 4 plus 4 plus 4 minus 4 cancelled. I got the y means f is, yes, exactly, f is onto. F is what? Onto. Therefore, I have write f inverse of y. What is f inverse of y? I already told you that x itself is a f inverse of y. What is the value? Square root of y minus 4. This is f inverse of y. Got the point clearly? Observe the next example. Very simple example. It is f of x equal to x square. And in the question they given that f from n to y. N is nothing but a domain, natural number, and range will be a set y. Okay. Again, I need to check for 1 1 onto as well as inverse for 1 1 now. Okay, concentrate on the board. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? x1 square is equal to x2 square. Okay. Now x1 is equal to square root of x2 square. x1 is equal to x2 square root cancel. But which will leave plus or minus? But negative term does not belongs to natural number system. That's why it is f is 1 1. F is what? 1 1. Got the point clearly? Is it okay? After this one, yes, exactly. You are saying right. Consider I have to take y is equal to given question. Y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to, what is f of x? F of x is nothing but x square. Now x as it is square on left hand side, it will be root of y. Getting my point clearly? Root of y. Okay. After this one, I need to go for the onto. For onto. Okay. What is the for onto now in this one? It is f of x is equal to, you are right, given question, x square. Now what I told you how to solve it? F of, keep the space x square like this. What is x value? X value is root y. I wrote root y square cancel, it is y. Therefore I got y. That's why f is onto. F is onto. Therefore I need to write it is 1 1 as well as on 2. It will be f inverse of y is equal to what? F inverse of y will be root y. Got the point clearly? Yes. Means this is all about finding 1 1 as well as on 2 as well as inverse of the given function. Okay. This is 5 marks important question. Observe the next question based upon the function for 5 marks, little bit lengthier than previous questions, okay, but lengthy, but it is very simple. Okay, I start. The given function is function from R plus, the domain is set of real numbers, the range is -5 to infinity is given, the function is 9x square plus 6x minus 5 is given. Okay, it will be first of all, I need to calculate it for 1 1. Okay, for 1 to 1 function. Okay, concentrate on the board now. It will be f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? Can you say? F of x1 will be 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5. The same question I am taking. Instead of writing x, I am writing x1. 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. Okay, in this one 5 will be cancelled. Now 9x1 square, I'd like to take 9x2 square on left hand side, it will become a 9 minus 9x2 square. Okay, plus 6x1 on left hand side minus 6x2 is equal to 0. Got it? 9 I'd like to take it as a common, 9x1 square minus x2 square plus, what's the common term including these two? 6 into x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. Okay, after this one 9, what is the formula for a square minus b square? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. I'd like to apply the formula here. It will be x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2. Okay, plus 6 into bracket x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. In between these two terms, something is common. What's the common term? x1 minus x2 is common term. Now what are the remaining term? 9 is remained, x1 plus x2 is remained, plus 6 is remained. Okay, is equal to 0. Means in this one, if this equation is 0, means either first term is 0, either this term is 0, or second term must be 0. Getting my point clearly? Okay, which will not be equal to 0. Sum of any natural number, domain is R plus, sum of any positive number is equal to 0. Possible? Not possible, leave it. That's why x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1 function. Therefore f is 1 to 1 function. Got the point clearly? Is it okay? After this one, what I told you, we need to calculate it for what? It will be consider. I'd like to consider. I need to obtain y now. Okay, compared to last part, it is a bit lengthier, but if you see the video again and again, it will be very easy. I need to write y is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. It is y in terms of x. I need to convert x in terms of y. Okay, y is equal to, I need to go with the completing the square. What is the completing the square? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, I need to move with this. What is a square? Here 9x square is there. Can I write 9x square as a 3x whole square? Means in the position of a, 3x will be there. Plus after that 2 is there. 2 as it is. What's the a value? A value is 3x. Got it? What about 2 into 3 into x? 6x. After that, what I need to multiply to get a 6 only? I need to multiply 1. Means I got the b value as a 1. That's why adding 1 square, subtracting 1 square. At last minus 5 is there. I am writing as it is. Got the point clearly? Okay. This is nothing but completing the square. Okay. It will be y as it is. What is a square plus 2ab plus b square? It will be 3x plus 1 whole square. Here minus 1 minus 5. Okay now. After this y is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square. Minus 1 minus 5 will be minus 6. Okay. Minus 6 on left hand side, it will be y plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square. Square will be as a square root. Square root of y plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay. Now 1 on left hand side, square root of y plus 6 minus 1 is equal to 3x. Now what is x value now? Square root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Many of the students are making the mistake that square root, they will take this minus 1 under the square root. That is a wrong thing. You will lose your marks. This is our x value. Okay now? Now after that, the last step is for onto now. For what it is? For onto. How to take onto? Write the given problem as it is. F of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. I wrote it. Okay now? Then after this one, f of, leave the x space empty. 9 into, leave the x space empty, plus 6 into x space empty minus 5. Understood the point clearly? Now why we kept the x space empty? To substitute the value of x here. What is the x value? Square root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by what? 3 it is. It will be square root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. It will be square root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay now? After this one, I'd like to write 9 as it is. Square is related to numerator as well as denominator. Root of y plus 6 minus 1 whole square divided by 3 square will be 9 plus 3, 6 cancel, it will be 2 into square root of y plus 6 minus 1 outside minus 5. 9 will be again cancelled. Okay. Now you must know the formula for a minus b whole square. A is root y plus 6, b is 1. A square means root y plus 6 whole square plus b square means 1 square minus 2 times of root of y plus 6. After that 2 is multiplied here. 2 root of y plus 6. Again 2 multiplied minus 2 minus 5. Got the point clearly? In this one, squares will cancel, y plus 6. After that plus 1. Here 2 times of root y plus 6. 2 times of root y plus 6. Negative positive cancel. Minus 2 minus 5 will be minus 7. It will be y 6 plus 1 7 minus 7 plus 7 minus 7 cancel. We got y. Means it is nothing but f is on 2. F is on 2. If the function is 1 1 as well as on 2, then only inverse exists. This x is nothing but f inverse of y. What is f inverse of y? The values are root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Got it? It's very simple. Just see again and again, you will get the regular steps. Focus on the next question, which is similar to the previous one. Okay. Again, I need to find 1 1 as well as 1 2 as well as inverse. Here the domain is a natural number and range is the set S here. Okay. First of all, I'd like to write for 1 1 function. For 1 1 function. Okay. Yes, you already know that I had write f of x1 equal to f of x2. Okay now. What is our f of x1? It will be 4x1 square plus 12x1 plus 15 is equal to 4x2 square plus 12x2 plus 15. Is it clear? After this one, 15 will be cancelled. It will be 4x1 square, that 4 minus 4x2 square. Okay now? Plus 12x1, this term on left hand side, minus 12x2 is equal to 0. Got it? In between means in between first two terms, I need to take a 4 as a common. X1 square minus x2 square. Okay. Next term, I need to take 12 as a common. X1 minus x2 is equal to 0. 4 as it is. The last problem I told you, what is a square minus b square formula? X1 plus x2, x1 minus x2 plus 12 it is into bracket. X1 minus x2 is equal to 0. In between first and second term, what's the common term? X1 minus x2 is a common term. What are the remaining term? Yes, 4 remained, x1 plus x2 remained, plus 12 remained. Got the point clearly? Is equal to 0. Means in this equation either first term is 0, second term will be 0. Either x1 minus x2 equal to 0 or 4 into x1 plus x2 plus 12 is equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. Why? Because x1, x2 belongs to a natural number. Whenever a sum of natural number will not give the value 0. Okay. Because of that reason, x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1-1 function. F is what function? F is 1-to-1 function. After this one, you already know that how we have to solve. Yes, exactly. Consider. I need to consider the given function y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to, what is this f of x? It will be 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Okay. I already told you I need to go with the completing the square method. Yes, exactly. Completing the square means y is equal to, how I write 4x? It will be 2x whole square. Means a value will be 2x. 2. What is a value? 2x. Now check it. A square 2. A. B value 2 into 2 4. What multiple of 4 will be 12? It is 4 into 3. That's why B value is adding 3 square, subtracting 3 square plus 15 as it is. Got it? After this one, y is equal to a square 2ab plus b square. It will be what? It will be 2x plus 3 whole square minus 9. It will be 3 square will be minus 9 plus 15. Okay. Y is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square. What is 15 minus 9? What is 15 minus 9? It will be plus 6. Plus 6 on left hand side. It will be y minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square. Square will be on left hand side. It will be a square root. After that, square root of y minus 6. 3 on left hand side minus 3 is equal to 2x. At the end, I have to write what is x now. X as it is root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Got the point clearly? This is nothing but our x value. Got it? Now, after getting the x, what I need to do? I need to calculate for onto now. It is what? For onto. For the onto, I need to write the given question as it is no change. 4x is f of x equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Got it? After this one, you know it. That is, just keep the x space empty. 4x space empty plus 12 x space empty plus 15 we have to write. What is x value? Yes, exactly. It is square root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. Okay. Square root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. It will be square root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Got it? Is it clear? Then after this one, I need to write this one as a 4. Now square is related to numerator as well as denominator. Root y minus 6 minus 3 whole square divided by 2 square will be 4 plus. Now 12 to cancel, 6 remained, square root of y minus 6 minus 3. Okay. Plus 15 it is. Okay. 4 will be cancelled. Square root of y minus 6 minus 3 whole square. Okay, na? Otherwise, we can expand here. I'd like to expand this one like a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? It will be a square plus b square will be 3 square minus 2ab. 2a value is root y minus 6, b value will be 3. Okay, na? Is it clear? After this one, 6 is multiplied to first term. 6 root of y minus 6. Okay. 6 is multiplied to 3 minus 18 plus 15. Got the point clearly? It will be square will be cancelled. Y minus 6 plus 3 square will be 9. It will be 2 3s are 6 root of y minus 6 plus 6 root of y minus 6 minus 18 plus 15 will be minus 3. Okay. Negative 6 root of y minus 6, positive 6 root of y minus 6 cancel. It will be y 9 minus 6 will be plus 3, that minus 3 cancel. I got the y. Okay. The function is 1, 2. If the function is 1, 1, as well as onto, then we can write f inverse of y. What is f inverse of y function? Yes, x itself is f inverse of y. Root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. This is our f inverse of y. Got it? Last problem in the function part for the 5 marks it is. Okay, the given f of x, we need to prove f composition f of x is x, find inverse of f. It is very simple question, concentrate. The given term I have to write, given is f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus, it is 6x minus 4. Okay now, after this one, f composition f of x, that we want to put as a x. What is f composition f of x? It will be f of x. Got the point clearly? It will be f of x. Outside f as it is, what is this inside f of x? What is this f of x? Yes, it will be 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Got the point clearly? After that, again f of the same function. F of the same function. F of the same function, how I need to solve, concentrate. F of the same function means, I'd like to use this one. 4 into x space empty plus what? Plus 3 divided by 6 into x space empty minus 4. That x space is replaced by this term. I am writing the term. I think now you understood the part. Is it okay? Fine. We need to write like this. Okay. After this one, how I have to solve the next part? I need to go for the multiplication. 4 into 4, 16x plus 4 into 3. 12x, denominator is 6x minus 4, okay, plus 3 it is, okay. Here the denominator is what? 6x minus 4, okay. 6 into 4, 24x plus 6 into 3, 18 minus 4 here. After this one, I need to take a LCM, okay. LCM, very simple part. LCM will be 6x minus 4. Here for the denominator is also 6x minus 4. Okay, I need to take a cross multiple. 1 into the term will be 16x plus 12 plus 3 into the term. 3 into 6, 18x. 3 4s are 12. Here 1 into the term will be same term. Okay, minus 4 into 6, 24x minus into minus plus 16. Okay. 6x minus 4, 6x minus 4 cancelled. Got it? After this one, plus 12 minus 12 cancel. 16x plus 18x is 34x. Am I right? Am I right? After that, plus 24 minus 24 cancel. 18 plus 16 will be 34. It will be cancelled. We got x. Means what they told to prove, f composition of x will be x. That we proved. Okay. Means for this part you will get a 4 marks. And f inverse, how to get it? From this one only I would like to move. F composition of f is equal to x. Means the function has inverse, means the given function has its own inverse, means f inverse will be f only. The function is inverse to itself. Okay. If you cover all these 7 problems, definitely you can write 5 marks 39th question in the annual examination. Okay, all the best, and share the video those who are needed, means how to understand the problem in the easy way. Okay, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you one and all.